So nice to see you again. I'm excited to be here.
Well, I'm excited to show you your new E-PACE. I love this color, by the way.
Yeah, I had a lot of options, but this is the one for me.
You must be so anxious to get driving.
Yes, you know me, I am.
Yeah, but I wonder if you wouldn't mind if we go over some of the features first.
You know, I always like to know about the latest technology, but experience tells me I like to get my smartphone set up before anything else.
Yeah, it's important, and I promise we'll get to it, but do you mind if we start with some of the basics?
Yes, basics are good.
Terrific. Well, do you have your smart key on you?
Oh, yeah.
Let's see, I'd love to show you something. If you touch and hold on the unlock button, you'll see the car unlocks,
Okay.
the windows will open,
Wow.
and the alarm will be disarmed.
What's that called?
That is called global open.
All right, and just to close it, I just do that?
You could lock it that way, but global close is done just here. You touch and hold on this depression in the handle.
I always know this key does more than it appears.
Oh, speaking of that, let me show you what we can do with the tailgate.
All right.